Right guys, let's do this section then. We got, I don't know, 20 questions I'll put on this and it'll all be products. Yeah, so this is a simple little product. Most of them will be simple little products, standard derivatives, each constituent parts. Sometimes I might throw the odd curveball in and put a function in. When I do, I'll always do the subproblem on a separate page so that you can look at it and make sure you're happy with the derivative, yeah? So in this case, we're starting off nice and easy. It is a product, and this is the rule for the products, yeah? d by dx of a product in the form of u times v is u div dx plus v du dx. There we are, that's it. That is the bookwork. That's the rule we need to invoke. And the best way to do it is just to draw a grid. So we draw a grid and we write down what u and v are equal to. So u is going to be the first part of the product. V generally we write as the second part of the product. There's symmetry, so it actually doesn't matter which way around you write it really. So that's u times v. We need du dx in the answer, don't we? Because it's here, there. So that differentiates to 3. And div dx, the log differentiates to 1 over x, doesn't it? There we are. That's all the constituent parts we need to work out the answer. So then, let's work out the answer then. So then, div dx equals u div dx. Notice I drew a line. It minimizes the likelihood of me making a mistake because I can visually see what to write down. So u times div is 3x times 1 over x. Yeah? Plus v du. So there's the other line. And it's 3 times, so you can write that as log x times 3. Like you could write 3 times 4, or probably a bad choice that. 5 times 4 or 4 times 5. When you times two things together, it doesn't matter which way around you write it. So we can afford ourselves the luxury of writing it in the order that we prefer. So this time, I think most times we'd prefer to write that as 3 lots of log x, wouldn't we? So then a tiny bit of tidying up need doing here. The x's cancel top and bottom. 3 times 1 is 3, plus the 3 lots of log x. Now you could take a 3 outside a bracket and write 3 brackets and then it would be 1 plus log x. But this is not an exercise on simplification. All the question is asking us for us to obtain the derivative using the product rule. So that will suffice for this section. And that's the answer for question 1. Let's go on to the next question then.